Hello, Jeep. I just first I should make this video so that I can explain further on how you can apply it to your sheet. So here, excuse me, I'm going to generate random numbers, say between 10 and 50 for all of them. Okay, so let me just fix it so that it doesn't have to move again. And here, let me just say I have January, which should serve as your companies, the ones that are supplying. So these are the figures. So we want to assume that this is vitamin A, and then this is the company. Okay, so here we want to, let's say, this is the largest, and so you said 5. This is 3, 4, 5, and then this is the lowest price. Okay, and this is the largest price, the largest or the highest price. But let me just use this. So we are going to use largest price for yellow. You can change it, and then the next one, which is, so let me just rate them. The largest is 1, next is this, and then the lowest is 5. Okay, so let's say number 2 we decide to give it green. Number 3 we decide to give it blue, let's say light blue. Number 4 we decide to give it let's say this color, and then the lowest, let's say we decide to give it red. Okay, so I am going to highlight this prices. I'm coming to conditional formatting. So because I need to apply all the 5 rules, let's just use this manage rule. Okay, and let me see. I want to place it where we can. Okay, here is fine. All right, so I'm going to get this new rule. I will use a formula to determine which cell to format. So for this kind of situation, we use formula. Okay, so I am going to use a formula called large. So I am saying here, and because this is a column, we will only lock this column and leave the row so that the rows can check through the rows. So I'm going to remove this $ in the row, and I'm saying this is equals to large. So the function large determines either the first largest. If you say 1, that 1 is the largest. 2 is second largest. 3 is third largest. Okay, so we are using large, and the figure, the array or the range that we want to look through and get the largest is this. So having defined the array, I'm going to confirm by putting a comma, and because we are looking for the largest, which is number 1, okay, I put 1 there. So I cover it, I close the bracket. So I'm done with this formula. So if it detects the largest, what does it do? It should give us yellow. So I come to format here, I pick this yellow, I okay it. Let's apply and see. Now this, you can see that this is 43. I think is the highest among all the figures that we have here. So I come again and apply a second rule. Again, I'm going to use formula to determine that. Again, I choose this first one, the first selection, because I selected from up here, which is my E3. So that's the first one I'm selecting down the row. And because the rows are not fixed, rather the column is fixed. So I need to remove this $ against the row. And I'm still going to use large. I open my bracket. I'm selecting this array or this range, and I'm saying number 2. Now I close my bracket. From this our glossary here, number 2 is green. So let me put this green here. Okay, it. When I apply, next to 43 is 42. So it's giving us this. So the next thing I need to do is get for the third one. The third one is blue. So I am still going ahead to choose this. Remember to remove this dollar sign here. Is equals to large. I open the bracket. I specify the range. And I say we are looking at number 3 right now, right? 3. Okay. So I put 3 and I choose my blue. I okay it. I apply it. 40 is there. Next rule, determine with a formula. I click here, I come over here, and I remove this dollar sign, and I say large. I open my bracket, I select the range, and since we're looking for number 4 now, I put 4, and I format with that one that we are interested in the color. I okay it, I apply, number 4 comes up. So we are going to the 51 now, which is red. So I apply the 51, still using my formula, and I can click here, E3, remove it. I can also go ahead to write E3 all by myself rather than selecting. And I select my range, and this is number 5 now. And number 5 is red. So I choose red. I okay it, I apply, number 5 is done. Now, these are what has been highlighted based on whatever. So let's just test something. I close, I okay it. Assuming here now I say 100. Okay, 100 now is the largest, it has changed. Assuming here I say 200, it has also changed. Assuming I say 150, 150 is supposed to be second, so here it becomes green. Now, another thing you may want to do is rather than highlighting the figures here, you want the months, now the companies to be the ones that will highlight. So I'm going ahead to select this. I'm going to manage the rules. This is the column containing all the rules. So I'm going to do something one after the other. Now, if you look at this, this is the formula. The formula is we are looking at A column, and then we are applying it on A column. But we may decide to put it on this column. So what I do is here, I can click here where I want the color, the formatting to apply. I click here to change it. So I want it here now. So this is what I'm going to do for each one. Let's say I choose here again, here. Okay, this is the same thing here. I'm choosing here. Then the green, I do the same thing here. And then finally this, I choose here. Great. So let's see if we have all that we are looking for. All the 5 are going to apply right here. So what do? I apply. You see that the companies are what have been highlighted now. Okay, so I just felt I should just do this for you so that you can use it and apply to your data sheet. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any issue, you can always get back to me. Thank you.